What credit score is needed to buy a house? You do not need perfect credit to qualify for a mortgage. Scores can even reach the 500 seconds in some instances. However, because credit scores assess the chance of defaulting on a loan, potential lenders will reward you with more options and cheaper interest rates if you have a higher score. A credit score of at least 620 is required for most loan types to purchase a home. However, higher is preferable, and consumers with credit scores of 740 or more will qualify for the lowest interest rates. Did you know that the minimum credit score you need to get a mortgage will depend on what kind of mortgage you want? First thing new buyers ask me is, what are the requirements to buy a house? So I advise them about how credit scores are important to get loans from the best mortgage lenders, and how they need to meet the minimum credit score requirement to qualify. If you want to get a mortgage to buy a home, the credit score you need may be different depending on what kind of loan you want to get. That said, the higher your credit score is, the easier it will be to get a better rate on your home loan. Conventional loans. Conventional mortgages are house loans that adhere to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac's guidelines. Any government program does not cover them. When applying for a traditional loan, you should have a credit score of 620 or above. You may be offered a higher interest rate if your credit score is below 620. VA home loans. Mortgages guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, commonly referred to as VA loans, do not require a minimum credit score imposed by the government to purchase a home. The primary requirement is a veteran, an active duty military member, or an eligible spouse. VA lenders set their own minimum credit score requirements. These range between the low to mid 600s. According to Ellie Mae, the average credit score of VA home purchasers varied between 711 and 721. USDA loans. If you intend to live in a rural or suburban region, and your income is less than 115% of the area median income, you may want to consider a USDA loan backed by the federal government. A USDA loan requires a minimum credit score of 640. However, most lenders require a minimum credit score of 620. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more tips.